Welcome to CodePro channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert the Excel file into JSON object by using Angular. Let's dive into the code. This is an Angular project. Here I have created an Angular 12th version project. Let's see the version here. So this is the Angular 12th version project. So here to convert the Excel file into JSON object, I'm directly doing it in the app.component.html file. Instead of making raw simple designs, right? Let's take a good designs. So I will search in the Google file upload design with CSS. I'm copying the design part. After that, the functionality part, I will write it here. Here, yeah, this is pretty good. So let's take this. So here, so this is the design here. So I'm taking this design. So for this, I just need the HTML and CSS part, not JavaScript part. That's why I'm copying it here. So this is the HTML part, right? So I have just copied that. So let's see how it is behaving. So here, yeah, it's not pretty good. Yeah, we need to include the CSS here. So in the app.component.css, so just place the CSS. Now, yeah, so now it is really good. So this design is good. So if I click on anywhere in the select file, so it will open to select the file. Yeah, so here first you need to do not image file here. So we need to accept excel comma xlsx file. So for that we need xls comma dot xlsx. So we are accepting these two file formats. So that's why I'm giving accept parameter here. After that, so let's write on change event here. So for that, change file upload. So in the file upload, I'm just passing $event, but we need to add this one in the component, right? So here I'm adding this function file upload. In the console, let's see. I'm just selecting the file here. Open it. Once you have selected the file, so in the target we can see the files parameter here. So in that files, whatever the file you have selected, it will be there. So for that, this is the files. So for that, what I will do, event dot target dot files. So this is the thing. So if you select any file, right, so it will show you the whatever the file you have selected. So only you have selected one file, that's why it is showing like this. So in this on change event, right, so I'm just assigning this event.target.files to some variable. So this is the selected file. Now to read this file, we need to use the inbuilt object in JavaScript that is called file reader object. So let's create an object file reader. So file reader equal to new file reader. So it's just an object. So it has an inbuilt method to read that files. So for that, I'm just reading that file. So file reader has a method read as binary string. So this is the method it has. So here we need to pass selected file. Now once you pass that file, the file reader onload functionality will execute. So that's why file reader dot onload. So onload equal to, it's an arrow function, you can write. So once you select the file reader read that file, and this is the in the target you can see the result will be, you need to take this is the entire Excel file you are uploading here. So this is the binary data. So I'm assigning to some variables. event dot target dot result it will be. Okay, once we have taken the binary data from the file reader object, now we need to create the workbook. But to create a workbook, you need to take the support from third-party library that is called XLSX. So let's see, this is the third-party library XLSX. So to install this, you need to use this command. So npm install. Let's install this. By using this library, from now onwards, we'll convert this into the JSON object. So now it is installed. So in the package.json you can see that, and so let me import that. Once you have imported that, here you need to read this binary data with XLSX. Let workbook equal to XLSX dot read method. So for this read method, you need to pass two parameters. Whatever the binary data you need to pass, this one, the first parameter will be binary data, and you have to tell that so what type of data it is. So type is binary. Now I have created a workbook. So let's see what the workbook will be. The workbook contains sheets and sheet names. So maybe sometimes the XLSX file has one or more sheets. Now you can see this is the directory. Here you need to see the objects which are available. So here you need to see sheets and sheet names. So it may contain multiple sheets or single sheet. So it contains single sheet here. That's why I'm doing it with. So now I will loop it workbook dot sheet names. So sheet names will be capital case. So we need to use sheet names dot for each. So in the for each, so you will get sheet names as string. Here I am creating the data. Constant data equal to XLSX has a method. XLSX util has a method utils dot. So it has a method to convert sheet to JSON. So you can see suggestions here. So here what you need to pass is, you need to pass sheets here. So workbook. So let's see what the data will be. Console.log of data. Now you can see you are getting 89 objects here. So its length will be 90. So here you have converted that Excel file into the JSON object. Let's see how the Excel will be. So this is the Excel file. It has, these are the header names, policy, expiry. The same way we have all these things. This is the JSON object. Now you are able to see in the console, right? Let's display it in the DOM. So to display that, right, we need to declare a variable here, converted JSON. So from Angular 12 onwards, you are not able to declare empty variable. So you need to declare like this. So if you are not assigning something here, I will convert this into the this dot converted JSON equal to. So equal to. So I'm just stringifying that JSON dot stringify. So here I'm passing this data, and the second parameter will be undefined. So the third parameter will be 4. So it is the tab indented space. So you need to give that. So now you need to display this converted JSON in app.html file. I'm just displaying it here. Now let's see how it will work. If you select the file, Open. Now you can see the JSON data is displayed in the DOM as well. So this is not a requirement, but we need to convert the Excel file into the JSON object. So that we have done. This way we can convert the Excel file into the JSON object by using an Angular with the support of XLSX library. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.